What's up, YouTube? I actually saw another video of a guy that tried this, so I was going to do this as well. What I have here is a metal slinky that my 3-year-old decided to stretch out and make it essentially worthless because you can't do anything with it because it's just been stretched. And for the longest time, I was under the impression that when this happened, it was finished. But after watching a couple videos on YouTube, they basically said there were a couple different ways with heat to fix it, or one gentleman explained how you take the end of this and you pull it back through itself and it fixes it. I'm a little skeptical myself, but I figured, well, let's give her a try, because what's the worst case that happens is it gets broken, right? And it already is. So we're going to feed it back through the middle of itself and just gently start pulling it through. And there it is. And start pulling it back through itself. And we're going to pull it back through itself like that. And just do it kind of slow and get it pulled through. And allegedly, this fixes it. I don't know. I have a difficult time believing this myself. Is it fixed? It's debatable. It certainly appears to be better than it was as far as being usable. Would I consider it fixed 100%? Not particularly, but is it able to be used now in a somewhat usable fashion? I would say yes. It's certainly better than it was, so I'd give it a try. Before you throw it away, try to pull it back through itself and see if it helps.